how to register for online banking or open up an online banking account for the First Abu Dhabi Bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can open up your online banking account for the First Abu Dhabi Bank. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to register for online banking, first you want to understand and keep in mind that you must have already created or you must have an existing bank account. Bank account I'm talking about, not the online banking account, but you must have an existing bank account on the First Abu Dhabi Bank, because if you don't have a bank account, as a result you will not be able to create your online banking account to make transactions online. So keeping that in mind, first of all we have to navigate to the official URL of the website, which is basically called bankfab.com. Now this URL is a little bit off, but this is the official website of the First Abu Dhabi Bank, which is bankfab.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. So once you go to bankfab.com, over here you will basically see this kind of interface, and as you can see, this is the official website. Now just click on the login option on the top right hand side of the screen. If you already do have your online banking account, just select personal online banking UAE over here, as you can see at the very top. Just go to personal online banking, and if you already have registered for online banking, of course you should be able to log in with using your username and your password and log into your account. But to register for online banking, just go to the option that says register now over here. Once you click on the register now option, it will ask us to enter your customer identification number or credit or debit card number. So obviously if you have a bank account, you have a CIN, or you also have a credit debit card number, just make sure to enter them here. Then once you've done that, you can just verify the captcha of I'm not a robot, and then just hit the I accept the terms and conditions. Once you do that, it will ask you for some other details such as a bank account verification number, as well as it will ask you to create a username and a password. And once you create a username and password, and after the verification process is complete, you should be able to successfully register for internet banking on the BankFab or First Abu Dhabi Bank. That's all it takes to register for online banking at the bankfab.com website or the First Abu Dhabi Bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, then comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.